Whakalofa tu makau, welcome back. Osi mahenga mumui he tua. Mumui he tua. Mumui he tua. Mumui he tua. Ya, tau siau e Foufou e. Lanu moana, mitakulahi, whakoe Susana. Kasi hoki e tabu whine haku. Ariana, what did you just do today? Foufou, eh? Yeah, mo matu whine haku.
Ai, mitakulahi ko mai tamato ke kai e han sa mai. Hai ko si te hingoa e tausi to Foufou. Kuloala. Ai ko ela ma job.
Hong te.
Ai e kai haku e kai ke malolo.
Oh, ia tu kau. Phạm nào cái phía một câu của ta ham về John một Mary một Yana he một hậu phật Niue một mũi hệ tua này chẳng đây một câu ấy á sao mà câu từ câu một số ôi câu số sao đây một Mary cái một mũi hệ tua ấy luôn một mũi hệ tua tung cái bè cả ha một mũi cái phật tàu mũi hệ tua về ra thằng em nào dạ mũi hệ tua ấy để phật có từ lâu ấy phật cũng lâu ấy tàu mà hùa liêm của tàu cũng hơi đi quê rồi tàu mà hơi đi cả tàu vào mũi thì mua từ tàu mua từ con Niue ấy phật ấy là
Yeah, so we just came from a workshop, a Foufou making workshop. This is a Foufou, and I made this last week, tapuka mole, and my daughter Ariana, she made hers today. She made her Foufou today. So this is a workshop in GI at the old community center. If you're free, they do these type of workshops every Monday, 11 to 2 p.m. So if you're keen, you know, and you're from Niue, just go down. So yeah, now we finished. We come to Hansan to have lunch. Also something coming up this Wednesday. We're going on a boat cruise with my family for someone's aho whanau. Fitu mafuru e tau. So yeah, fitu mafuru na e aho whanau matu whine, that's why. Yeah. So yeah, we'll probably leave the next video. We'll see you on the boat cruise. Right now we're just having a nice meal because me and my daughter, we walked all the way from Pakuranga all the way to GI to get to this workshop because we didn't have a car. We might have Ubered for the last maybe 10 minutes, but but yeah, didn't you think these look cool? This is the culture that we're trying to preserve, so I reckon mine looks awesome, and my daughter's. Okay. Oh, look at the kaya mo. Oh yeah, that's the Siri. Whakoelahi ma Siri, the mai kai. The mai kai mo. Oh, must.
No, that's the beef one. That's not the chicken.
Oh, big one. It's mine.
Oh, it must be his.
You finished.
Oh.
I didn't eat any meat.
No more meat.
No, I didn't eat it because I don't eat meat.
Hepe, ora, yeah.
Curry beef.
Mine, thank you. Curry beef.
And then ginger beef. Ginger beef rice, B14.
Here one. Oh no, his one. That's his one.
Oh, that's your one.
Oh, this one's your one.
No. She had another one. Put that in the thing.
Okay.
Eric, you want to
Yeah. No. We'll order another one. Alright, don't worry. I'll order you another one. Yeah. Hey yo, we just saw a subscriber, a follower. His family name is Aleke. He's related to Io. They just came here after a funeral, and he was just giving feedback. He enjoys the channel as well. So thanks for watching, brother. Yeah, he gave good feedback. Keep up the health. Said health's an important message, eh, mum? Niue people need to keep their health up, because otherwise they don't live as long. But yeah, brother, good to meet you. Thanks for saying hi, and hopefully catch you up. So we've finished our lunch. we're gonna go back home now. Next video, be the boat cruise.
Yep.
Whakalawhata Makau, welcome back. Leo atu a maua, ko mo tamawhiwhine haku ki kaina. Se amanaki au ke tunu e kai. Tunu tau povi, ki kai tau tamahaku ke maua sino malolo. Sup man, we just got back home. me and Ariana. Now I'm just preparing dinner for my son and my daughter who didn't come. Because they didn't come to the workshop, they don't get the hansan, they get the home cooked povi. So this was probably like maybe $7 for this piece of steak. And I'm just gonna chop it up, the vala, toss it into little pieces. I'm just gonna fry it up in the wok. Heaps of protein, it's healthy, it's good for you. It's good for you if you eat, you know, if you eat it, part of your diet, high protein. So I'm just cutting it up into little pieces like this. Once I cut it up, just cut it like that into a little piece. Make sure you got a good knife, like that. Look at the steak, man. A bodybuilder's favorite meal is lots and lots of beef. You know, there's some bodybuilders out there that are vegan. They don't eat meat, so I think they just eat like tofu and chickpeas. I tried that at one point, but just couldn't sustain it. I just didn't have the same taste. So what I'm gonna do, just fry it here in the olive oil. Expensive, but trying to be healthy if you can afford it. But if not, all good. And then I just use the soy sauce, which is you don't know what's in here, but it's just for the flavor. Salt and pepper, and that's it. So yeah, I'll just turn on the stove, put it on a medium heat, chuck in this expensive olive oil. Yeah, let that heat up, and then put in the steaks. But yeah, we'll pause it here, and then we'll come back soon when the thing heats up. Alright, now the oil's starting to get hot. Vela oila. So I'm going to tuki tau walapovi ki loto. Langana. Langana. Mitaki. Tino tau povi. Lafiaki e soy sauce. Woohoo! Puluhi. Just gonna turn it, and that's all it is. Simple way. Just make the beef taste nice. And my son loves eating this. You like eating this too, Ari? Yeah, Ariana and Jackson loves eating steak like this. Just fried like that in a wok. I like it too. And then that's it. Yep, so this is cooking in about an hour's time. Whanau ke pele netapolo mo mangwhao haku in St. John's ANZ Netball Stadium. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook this, and then I got a game tonight to keep that exercise. So I'm eating healthy, I'm exercising, trying to keep in shape, like what the bro was saying at my Niue bro from Mutolo was saying at Hansan. It's important to stay healthy these days, because people are getting sick, and it's so easy to stop moving, stop exercising, and just forgetting to take care of yourself. So yeah, just eating well, moving, easy solution to stay fit. Okay, we'll see you at the netball. Ko kia. Whakalawhata Makau. We're here at netball. You can see people playing. We're just waiting to go on. I'll hear from my bro, Dave.
Hey, how's it?
Hey, how are you?
Good to go. Just, just wait for people to come. Yeah, so, right.
Shee! Fuck it. So yeah, we're gonna get some exercise, staying healthy, trying to fight the sickness. So yeah, got netball today. just catching up with the family before we go on our boat cruise. So today's Aho Ngafua, we're going on Aho Lotu, going on Wednesday. They haven't got the nets up, as you can see. It's open, so it's going to be a lot harder to play. I'll just go talk to the boat. Hey, whakalo whatu. Malo nā kau.
Yeah, I'm good.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, mitaki.
Yeah, just waiting to go on the cruise in 2 days time.
Yeah. All ready?
Yeah, we're packed. Got our snorkeling gear. Got all our outfits, so it's going to be a really good time.
Yeah, someone's happy birthday on that day we launch, are you?
Yeah, it's my 30th. The day we go. 37 on Wednesday, so it's a good excuse to enjoy the cruise, the departure. Yeah, it's cold here, right?
Yeah.
6 degrees in the morning, so can't wait to get to Fiji. Yeah, are you gonna film going up?
Yeah, do some vlogs.
Should be good. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, hey, and you said you've had a bit of a weight loss this year, eh?
Yeah, fluctuated, but lost 15 kilos. Woo. Just slowly over 6 months.
Yeah.
Just slowly chipping away and trying to just be a bit more responsible for my health. Yeah, no gimmicks, no shortcuts.
Yeah.
Just trying to little things and consistent approach.
Nice.
Yeah. How about yourself?
Oh yeah, I'm looking to compete in October in Niue.
Man, it should be good.
But haven't had any invitations yet, so just hanging out, just gonna be ready.
That might be a common style for Niue. Just be ready whenever the time comes in.
Yeah.
It's too expensive. We were going to go up to the Niue in October for the Pule Whakamotu, but it's too expensive for us, so decided to hang back. But we'll go up maybe at the end of the year or early next year.
Yeah.
Go visit the fams and tidy up the whale.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you on the cruise, on the ship.
Yeah. Okay. Whakalo whātuma kau. Oh, he had to get a haircut from the man himself, Kingston. Yo. Hey, la. Hey, you able to give Jackson a quick cut? You got time?
Same thing.
Just, whatever you can do within the time.
Really now?
Hi guys, I'm getting my haircut for the cruise on the ship, and the pool's gonna be warm so I can jump in. Bye. Hello. Right now Jackson's getting his haircut, and tomorrow we're going on the cruise.
How are you feeling about the cruise?
Good. I'm excited.
What are you excited for?
The food.
What about you, Ari? Malolo na kai?
Malo whakoi.
E ke hā koe?
We're here for Jackson's haircutting.
Oh, yeah.
Getting his haircut. I'm really excited. I can't wait. Ari hasn't packed. Ari.
This is my Siseki Ulu. This is the before. Whew. Oh, Osi Hefi Ulu. You see that? Whoo! Voila! Whakaoe. Whakaoe lahi, Kingston.
No worries, thank you.
Man, looking good.